morning YouTube. So lovely day again, lovely sunshine, and I'll show you around and show you what I'm up to today. After yet, excuse the compressor oh, it's finished. Excuse the compressor that's so yesterday we got all that done, a lot of this work done, and some of the top plate done. So today plan is to get this part of the top plates up, and once that's up, I've got a piece there, I'm deliberately leaving that out to give myself a walkway. Once that's up, then it's on with the ceiling joists. I'm hoping to get 1 or 2 ceiling joists up today, maybe, but we'll see how it goes. So that's it for today, folks. I'm done. That's the top part of this done, which you'll have seen just a minute ago, and some other parts done. There's a lot more to go yet, but what I can tell you is that when you put these pieces in, the walls really took on every kind of piece you put in, every stud, every piece, it becomes stronger and stronger. It really is it's a brilliant piece of engineering when you think about it. Whoever thought up frame housing with wood really is a brilliant engineering, and you really can feel that there's no movement in the walls. I mean, this piece here now, we've got what 2 pieces on at the top, so that's 150 thick at the top, and the wall is absolutely, there's nothing, there's no vibration, you know, no movement at all. Even this little thin wall here, and it's not completed yet, there's a little piece to go up there and a doorway to do. Even this is absolutely no movement. It really is make a difference. So yeah, if you're following me, don't forget to like, or if you don't like, put a thumbs down, whatever, but subscribe. Let's get the numbers up for subscriptions up, and so other people can find this channel. It helps the YouTube algorithm, whatever you call it, to pump the channel out to people who may be coming to Russia, who are interested in this type of housing, and they get to see it as well. So anyway, for me, it's good night, and I'll see you again tomorrow morning. YouTube, I'm recording this. This is the end of the season. This is actually it. I was gonna stay. If you saw my lives, I was going to stay, we were going to stay here, and the weather has turned to such a degree that it's actually drive for the first time in 2 days at the moment. The wind's blowing and it's getting ready to rain again, but it was actually quite nice a few minutes ago when the sun was out. But it's the rain is just constant, and we looked at the forecast and looked at the forecast and looked at a lot of different weather forecasters, and it's saying rain all month until what we're now till November. And I'm not going to stay and just sit in a glorified hut for a month waiting for the weather to pass. It's just too long. But it's something to bear in mind if you're coming to Russia as an immigrant. Come on, son. If you're coming to Russia as an immigrant, be aware that if you're going to build a house here, that it is weather dependent. It is seasonal. If you're doing it on your own, like I've done, you won't have time to do it all in one season. You're talking 3 or 4 seasons, maybe, unless you've got help. But solo build, 3 or 4 seasons because of the weather. You know, what can you do with the weather? You can't do anything. You can't do anything against it. If it's raining, it's raining, and it has been, and it's now to a point where everything's getting wet. I can't work electrical tools in the wet, so that's it at the end of the season. So if you're watching my videos, or I advise you to watch my videos if you're coming to Russia as an immigrant or coming to build a house here in Russia. Watch my videos, do the old like if you want, or dislike if you don't like, and leave a comment. Always happy to see comments. I always reply to comments. And so for me, for the end of this season, I'll see you hopefully in season 3, which will be coming hopefully in April or May.